So I was online at bestbuy.com purchasing this drone, and they gave me two options at purchasing this drone. The first option they gave me was to purchase the drone and the remote control for $449.99. The second option they gave me was to purchase the bundle for $599.99, in which the bundle comes with 6 extra propellers just in case the propellers on your drone breaks. 2 extra batteries including the one that's in your drone, so that's 3 batteries altogether. Each battery containing 31 minutes of flight time. That's almost 2 hours of flight time that you're in the air. Also, you get a bag with it to transport your drone safely from location to location. Also, you get a remote control, of course, to control your drone. So this is the new DJI Drone Mini 2, which comes in about 249 grams, 1 gram less of having to register your drone with the FAA, which requires you, any drone 250 grams or more will have to register their drone, just so that they can identify who is the operator of that drone, just in case you fly into a restricted area and they can identify you. So when you first get the drone doesn't come with a memory card, so you're gonna have to provide one, in which I provided one with 128 gigabytes so that it can hold my videos and my photos. So I chose the bundle version because it comes with extra accessories. As you can tell on the front of the box, these are the accessories that it actually comes with. So I'm gonna take my blade and just slice across the top gently. I'm not trying to damage the device before I get it open. I rip the plastic open, and basically I'm not ripping it fast enough because, you know, I'm excited but I don't want to damage the product at the same time. So, you know, I take the plastic off gently and I show you this is the DJI Mini 2. Turn it to the back, and this is the accessories that come inside the box. So this is the side of the box. It shows you the DJI Mini 2 specs. It shows you what's supposed to be inside the box. It shows you where you can download the DJI app from. You can download it from the App Store and also the Google Store, so that you can activate your drone along with the app, because you're gonna need this. Okay, after we took the plastic off, it's time to flip this cover open and see what's inside the box. Wow, it's a bag inside of a box. We flap those flaps open and we about to pull out this bag. It's a little bit heavy. It has a little bit of a weight to it because, you know, it's a lot of accessories or a lot of goodies inside the bag. But anyway, DJI actually did their thing about protecting the drone. This is what you get with the bundle version of the drone. For $599.99, you get this bag full of goodies, and you get like this paper that's on the side of the bag and everything, just tell you about the DJI bag. But it's a nice bag though. Alright, it's time to see what's inside the bag. So we're gonna just try to pull the zipper open, and we're gonna try to get it open. Hold up, let me just pull the zipper and see what's up. Okay, we pulled the wrong zipper, because technically this bag has 2 zipper slots. So it has one for the front pouch and it has one for the main pouch that's inside, like that's big, the bigger part where the drone actually sits at. So we're gonna just pull this zipper around, and let me just scoot this a little bit closer so that you guys can actually see exactly what's inside the bag, like the goodies that's inside the bag, because basically, you know, that's the whole point of the video. You know, you want to see what's inside, you want to see what's the goodies and stuff. So you just pull that, and basically voila, we just pull back the flap. Okay, so we're gonna reach inside the bag, and we pulled out a remote control. That's the remote control for the drone. And we're gonna pull out something else, which looks like the instructions of how to control your drone. We're gonna open that a little bit later, and then we're gonna reach right back inside the bag, and we're gonna pull out something else which has some goodies inside there. So we're gonna open that a little bit later too, to see what's inside there. And we're gonna place that right down on the table, and then basically we're gonna pull out something else, which is, drum roll, is the drone itself. Look how small that baby is. It only comes in 249 grams, 1 gram less of registering with the FAA. So basically, you know, I showed you how big the gram is, so it's not that heavy. So what else is inside the bag? We don't have anything else. So in this pack right here is going to be the DJI instructions on how to operate your drone, also how to operate the battery pack, also how to download the DJI app. Alright, so what's inside the box? Oh, automatically a cord just pops out. It looks like it's for a cell phone. Then we're going to tip the box open and show you guys what's inside the box. We're pulling out something. Basically, it looks like it's the battery pack charger. I think it is, so we're going to just unravel it just to see exactly what it is. Yep, it is the battery charger. You just take out the battery from your drone that's dead and pop it right back in there. Also, we have the charging cords for your cell phone, and also we have the charging brick, and also we have the USB to USB-C, because that's how you charge that battery charger, so that you have full batteries all the time. So you get 3 batteries with this drone, and basically you almost get exactly 2 hours. So 2 hours of flight time, almost 2 hours of flight time in the air, and that's great. If you want to buy more batteries, you could. We have the phone chargers, micro USB to USB-C. We have the charging brick, and then we have the actual charger that charges that battery pack right there for the battery for the drone. Okay, next we have the remote control for the drone to control the drone. So we're going to just take it out this plastic, and we're going to just show you what the functions are. So you have the power button right here. You have the functions of going fast, medium, or slow. You have the home button, and you have the controls that goes up and down, side to side, round and round. Underneath you have the sticks, the knobs that you actually screw in. So we're gonna actually screw in the knobs and show you guys how it is when you screw it in. So they actually come with extra knobs just in case one of them gets misplaced or anything. So oops, I made a mistake and dropped one, but let's just actually show you guys how it screws in. It just screws in like a regular screw and everything. So those are the controls. That's how the controls look when you go up and down, side to side, round and round, and everything. Then you have on the top, you have the camera taking pictures, record, and on that little bezel right there that goes forward, it zooms in the camera. Up right here is where the cell phone will sit, and you connect your cell phone to the wire that's down there. It expands to your cell phone, but you might have to take your cell phone case off if your cell phone is too big and bulky. So next we're gonna show you the drone. Exactly, it's small. It comes in exactly at 249 grams, and it can actually fit into your pocket. So underneath we see some instructions. Let me just put this remote control over to the other side so I have some more room on the table. But also it shows you how to get this clip off. So we just pull this apart and it unfastens. This clip right here protects your propellers from getting damaged during travel. So we want to put that to the side. So we're gonna actually show you underneath how it looks. So we're gonna actually try to unfold the bottom first, but then I realized that if I unfold the bottom, I can't unfold the top. So just remember, unfold the top first and then unfold the bottom when you're unfolding this drone right here, because the bottom locks in the top. So basically you might want to do the top first and then do the bottom, and then that's how you can actually activate your drone. So as you can tell, I'm just unfolding it gently, top first and then the bottom last. So that's the drone right there. It has a protection for the camera, the 4K camera at the front, and also it has the stickers which you might want to remove before flying also. So that is the drone. In the back it has another sticker along with the battery. That's where the battery sits at, that's where the memory card sits at, and also you can actually take a USB-C cord and actually charge the battery that's inside there. So if you want to remove the battery, you just press and pull, and that's the battery that comes out, the same battery that is inside of the battery case. That battery slips into that, and then you just slip it right back in, and it clips right back in, and then you just close the door. As I'm trying to get the battery in the right way, okay, turn it upside down and then put it in. There you go. Alright, so now just close the door, and then you're ready, once your battery is charged fully. So on the front, like I said, it has a 4K camera. It has a gimbal that when you're flying up in the air, nothing will actually damage your footage or mess up your footage. Like if it's windy outside, then basically the drone will pick up your footage and you will not happen to worry about your footage being shaky. So you want to make sure you take all these stickers off, even on the camera, so that you have no problems when you're in the air. You don't have no problems of anything interrupting. So you want to take all stickers off on the camera, you want to take all stickers off on the side, on the back, and you have the sensors right there. So next, I am going to put this case back on to the camera, the cover, so that the camera on the front of the drone doesn't get messed up. That's to protect the camera from getting messed up or scratched up. So I'm going to insert a memory card inside of the drone. The drone does not come with a memory card, so I'm going to use my handy dandy blade, just like my last video, my handy dandy blade, and just cut it open. So in the back of the drone, this is where you insert the memory cards so that you can be able to save your pictures and videos of what you record or what you take. So I just realized I had another slot inside the bag, so I'm going to unzip this because it seems like it's more goodies in there. So I'm going to just reach my hand inside. Ooh, we got more propellers, extra propellers that they said it was going to come with. Also some more stuff. We got the screwdriver that unscrews the propellers so I can replace them and screws them back in. And also we got the extra thumbsticks that replaces the thumbsticks that's on the remote control, just in case I misplace one or one just breaks. We have a USB to USB-C cord, we have one battery, we have 2 batteries, and we have 3 batteries along with the charging dock. Along with, if the batteries are dead, we can place them back in there and they'll charge it. We also have a charging brick where we can place a USB in there to charge this charging brick along with the remote control. We have the remote control that controls the drone, of course we need that. And we also have the drone. Let's just close this door back here. And we have the clamp, so when we wrap the drone up, it could protect the propellers from getting damaged during travel. We also have the cords that actually plugs into an Android phone and also an iPhone.